Hello, welcome to Dallas, Texas, here in Teltonika Tech Summit 2025. We're excited to have you here. Let's go meet some people.
I love it. It's great. Some great content, wonderful about the security, and wonderful about everything that we've learned. So also some great connections here that we've made, some great opportunities for business, and it's just been a positive interaction with us so far.
And it was good stuff. And then I didn't realize how much you guys have on product, actually. Like, I knew you guys had a lot, but I like that there's more coming and a lot like that.
It's been really informative. Yesterday was fantastic, and I'm really enjoying how well you're bringing the technology to us and the different elements and adding a little bit of, fun and keeping us upbeat while we're, some of it can get a little monotonous at times. So you guys are doing great.
I learned a couple neat features about how RMS can be integrated into packages and how I can deploy packages with a standard rollout. So if a device is hard reset, it's not going to go back to factory settings, it'll go back to the standard configuration that I pushed out. I think that is very important for deployments.
I'd say engagement from leadership, like actually hanging around, being around, having the conversations one-on-one with the partners is key.
The biggest thing is the RMS platform, right? So we're trying to get our information to our customers and help them support their remote monitoring platforms and looking at devices that are remotely located. And right now there's no way to do that. So getting our device for them to be able to see it in a platform like that is huge.
I have learned a lot of good things so far.
I like everything on the cybersecurity because that's my bread and butter, but I also like the things on the RUT OS because it's a very powerful OS, and I feel like it has a lot of potential to do a lot of great things.
The 50 is it's a great value for what you get on it. It's just a great product. We've got a bid out now for a really big opportunity with that, so it's about as good as you can get it on the price point for sure.
I enjoyed the cybersecurity part, so that was really informative. So I enjoyed that. This has been awesome. So far we're just getting started with the demos, but it's been good to do some hands-on experience.
Most interesting, I think, is just all the utilities in RMS and just try and think better ways to apply them to make things easier for everyone. But there's a lot of functionality there that still haven't quite figured out of how we can apply it yet.
Lots of great information. You have a great product here, and your people are extremely knowledgeable and know how to work with their customers to achieve the best results. So it's good. A lot of good information.